Let's talk about the electronics policy in class. Electronics are going to be a huge part of our class. I can go ahead and tell you that. If you have a device that you are willing to bring to school and use on class assignments during class, when I give you the go ahead, please do so because we will be using them often. Much of our work is built into Schoology, a platform that I'm sure that you are very familiar with by now. If not, we will do lots of practice in Schoology before we actually do some work. But let's talk about the policies and procedures that we have in class with electronics just to keep you and your device safe. First of all devices must be stowed away in your backpack as soon as you walk through the door. This is so that we don't have distractions in our hands in the classroom when class is beginning, and it's so that your device doesn't get lost. Number two, devices will be used in class only when I give you the signal or direction to use them. In addition to devices, Apple Watches are also allowed in class, but they're allowed to keep time. If you use them for any other purpose, like texting or maybe making a phone call, which is totally not allowed in class, it will go to the parking spot, which is a box that I will show you later. A few device expectations on the campus. Let's talk about those. You may use your device before school, in the cafeteria, and after school only. Those are the only times that a device should be out in school unless your teacher gives you permission otherwise. You may not use your device in the hallway ever. If a teacher or administrator sees you in the hallway with your device out, they will kindly ask you to put it away in your backpack. But if this continues to be an issue, there will be other consequences